Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umgosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So Begne Rally, EFF Itolo, and people ask Umalemo ukuthi where is Umbuyiseni Ndlozi, because we know ukuthi Umbuyiseni Ndlozi is always with Umalema Kesana, and uvela wavuka nje bovu Umalema bambuta nga Umbuyiseni Ndlozi wathi bantu abayekele kumbuta ngebantu langathi ngabo if bafuna kwade ngambuyiseni Ndlozi abamfonele umuntu lo ngekho lana kusho ukuthi vele bekumele angabi khona. Like he spoke very ill of Umbuyiseni Ndlozi. He could have just said ukuthi ngikakhona ukufika because of 1 2 3, or athi no angeke azabe available, instead of ukuthi akhulume kabi ngaye public like sana. So people upload Umbuyiseni Ndlozi for being a matured or angamphenduli kumalema, because we saw ukuthi akabhali lutho ngisho ku-Twitter akaphendulanga, not ukuthi akakeva ukuthi utheni ngaye, but it shows immaturity, and Mzansi applaud him for that. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. I'm signing out. Goodbye.